Compostable Altar. From the starts, Hungry ECOCITIES paths to progress experiments.
Ritual, through its different sensory components, together with symbolic representations, express the heart of human creative activity. Rituals introduce discontinuities in the structure of time. In other words, ritual becomes everyday, and everyday becomes ritual. Look down. What do you see? Soil. Soil is the heart of the agri-food system. It is not merely a support, but a living organism full of microorganisms and invisible processes. The concept behind this idea of altar is to honor the sacredness of the earth, recognizing it not as inert soil, but as a living body that sustains all life. The project explores new ways of relating art, science, and the food system. Based on local conditions in southern Italy, the project investigates how creation can be linked to the rhythms of the earth. In Calabria, the agroecological farm, the Terre di Zoè, cultivates the land with a deep respect for its rhythms. In its process of transforming fruit into food, organic remains are left behind that, far from being waste, hold enormous potential. The challenge was to transform production waste into circular gestures, materials returning to the soil, offerings that regenerate the earth. A catalogue of biomaterials was developed from seasonal waste. These biocomposites were then translated into geometries through digital manufacturing, taking into account their characteristics in terms of construction. The biomaterial itself can harbour and promote seed growth within its 3D printed structure, functioning as a germination scaffold. Seeds from specific plants were incorporated, selected for their natural nitrogen-fixing properties and their ability to attract pollinating insects. For 3 months, soil sensors measured temperature, humidity, pH, and nutrients in a pilot experiment affected by outdoor conditions and automatic irrigation, simulating the farm environment. These data were not mere abstractions. They revealed how decomposing biomaterial enriched the soil and activated its microbial life. With the data collected, 2 predictive models were developed to explore how soil nutrient cycles might evolve when biomaterials are incorporated. Here, artificial intelligence does not seek to control, but rather to listen, to translate the rhythms of the soil into possible futures. These parameters were translated into morphologies through parametric design, organic patterns that express the interaction of the biomaterial with the soil and local environmental conditions. To build the altar, a large format 3D printer was constructed, developed under open source principles. As part of the maker community, we draw on their knowledge and give back our tools as a contribution to our shared technological heritage. Compostable Altar celebrates impermanence. It is born to disappear as it slowly decomposes. It regenerates the soil, a gesture that recognizes the vitality of matter, a gesture of gratitude towards the earth, and an invitation to rethink our relationship with it. An educational and open gesture that invites other communities to replicate, adapt, and reinvent.